Hey guys, John at Fix-A-Fence, out on the job scene again. Just wanted to give you guys a show a little bit what's going on here. We got on, actually it's over here off of Harold here in Portland, Oregon, guys. But yeah, my guys are getting after it, and these panels are 4x4 panels, right? And they come by 5. They're called high fives, and they're 12 foot long, right? 4x4 squares, and yeah, they got to measure them and cut them to make it fit. It's all custom. It's all custom fit, you know. So, and so what we do is we block out all the little 4x4s after you get all your posts set. You see how we've even taken and cut these 45-degree angles and made it look good, you know. And so it steps down, you know, and these guys are doing a great job. But you know, once you get your posts set, you all know how to set posts and whatnot, and it's not like I need to tell you how to do that. But you know, you get over here and they just mark a line and cut right down the line there, like he's doing. And all these little posts, you know, the top rails, he's 45'd them and cut them and made it look really nice. And so we blocked everything out here. You know, this is about ready to go in. We're gonna block everything out, and then that panel will go right in. But anyway, and then the next door neighbor, she ended up getting involved, and so she wanted to move that gate up front. I said, well, whatever. So we ended up having to put a couple of posts here for her. So, and she says, I'm at 10 minutes away, please put the old gate away. Anyway, that's for when we're done. But yeah, so these guys got another gate left to do, about 26-30 feet of wood fence to put in, and a gate. And these guys will be done with this job. It's looking really nice, man. So anyway, all right. So I just wanted to give you a heads up or show you what's going on with the, I call them a cattle panel fence, hog wire fence, whatever. I get them at Wilco. They're like about 70 bucks a panel. Like I said, they're called high fives. It's 5 foot high by 12 foot long, 4x4 welded wire mesh. And we just kind of sandwich them in. And it's really modern. People love it. And yeah, so anyway, all right. You guys keep smiling. Have a great day. Maybe I'll show you some pictures of what it looks like when it's done. All right.